In this video, you will learn how to fix USB tethering not working only charging. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you need to share your internet connection with another device. I will guide you through some easy steps to help you fix this problem. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down until you reach Developer Options. If you haven't enabled developer options yet, don't panic. A link is pinned in the comments below that guides you step by step on how to enable them on your Android device. After enabling developer options, tap on it and scroll down until you find Tethering Hardware Acceleration. This setting can significantly impact how tethering works on your device. Toggle on the switch next to Tethering Hardware Acceleration so that it's enabled. This helps improve performance and connectivity while using USB tethering. Next up is adjusting your default USB configuration. Scroll down a bit and look for Default USB Configuration and tap on it. A list will appear with several options. From this list, select USB tethering. By doing this, you're telling your device that whenever it's connected via USB, it should prioritize tethering over just charging. Now that these settings are adjusted, it's time to test if they worked. Connect your smartphone again via USB cable and check if you can access mobile data on your PC or laptop. If everything is working fine now, great. You've successfully fixed the issue. If you're still facing problems and your device is only charging without providing internet access, there might be an issue with your USB cable itself. Not all cables support data transfer, some are designed solely for charging. Consider switching out your current cable for one known to support both charging and data transfer, preferably an original or high-quality third-party cable compatible with your device model. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.